Hi everyone, good to see you again all. I hope you all will be fine. Please check Iraq latest news updates. The value of total deposits in Iraqi commercial banks rose to more than 126 billion dinars in May 2023, according to what the Iraq Future Foundation for Economic Studies and Consultations announced on Sunday. The foundation reported today that this amount recorded an annual increase of 28% and a monthly increase of 2.78%. According to the report, private sector deposits accounted for the majority of deposits, totaling 53.2 trillion Iraqi dinars, with an annual increase of 18.2% and a monthly decrease of 0.7%. As for central government deposits, they amounted to 43.99 trillion dinars, with an annual increase of 51.33% and a monthly increase of 9.94%. Commercial deposits dominated the nature of deposits, accounting for 78.8% of the total deposits, with a value of 99.78 trillion dinars. They witnessed an annual growth rate of 42% and a monthly growth rate of 3.39%. Savings deposits accounted for 13.1% of total deposits, valued at 16.6 trillion Iraqi dinars, and grew at a 4% annual rate and 0.6% monthly rate. Fixed deposits accounted for only 8% of the total deposits, according to the report. And during the year 2023, Arab countries' collective ownership of U.S. Treasury bonds reached a significant amount, totaling more than $256 billion, as disclosed by the latest data from the U.S. Treasury on the top 40 countries holding these bonds, reported by Shafarak news agency. The Arab nations included in this holding are Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, and Iraq. Leading the pack, Saudi Arabia holds $111.30 billion, followed by the United Arab Emirates with $69 billion, Kuwait with $41.4 billion, and Iraq with $32.7 billion. In total, the worldwide holdings of U.S. Treasury bonds stand at a staggering $7.5274 trillion. U.S. Treasury bonds, commonly referred to as treasuries, are government securities issued by the United States Department of the Treasury through its Bureau of the Public Debt. They serve as financial instruments for the U.S. federal government, aiding in raising funds to finance various projects and infrastructural developments. 4 common types of U.S. Treasury bonds exist: Treasury bills, Treasury notes, Treasury bonds, and Treasury inflation-protected securities (TIPS). These bonds represent a type of debt-based investment, where the government borrows money from investors at agreed-upon interest rates, and subsequently uses these funds for financing public projects and other initiatives. And Sunday, political writer Halim Salman expected the issuance of a package of changes affecting 2 general managers in the Central Bank of Iraq, after the significant rise in dollar exchange rates. Salman said in an interview with Jarida that, in light of the current data, and the failure of those in charge of drawing and implementing monetary policy, formal and informal discussions are taking place in this regard, the outcome of which is changing a number of relevant departments in the central bank. Salman expected that a package will be issued to change a number of general managers especially the supervisors of the currency auction, and under the guidance of Prime Minister Mohammed Shara al-Sudani during the next few days. Thanks, take care.